of our English class. In the previous class, we discussed about the question answers and the other comprehensive work. Okay, today we are moving on to the vocabulary ladder. That means page number 42. You take page number 42, vocabulary ladder. Meanings. Yes, means. MEANINGS. You listen to the test carefully. CROAK. Croak. What is the meaning of croak? Utter the clear sound made by a frog. Croak means CROAK. Croak. What is the meaning of croak? Utter. UTTER. Utter the sound. Deep. Deep. Clear sound. HOARSE. Clear sound. SOUND. Utter deep clear sound made by a frog. Made by MADE. Made by a frog. Made by a frog. 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 Okay. Listen here. What is frog? Utter deep clear sound made by a frog is called a frog. The different animals make different sounds. What are the sounds you know? Do you know the sounds of some animals? Do you know? Can you say the sounds of some animals? Cow mews. Then goat bleat. Lions roar. Next one. Which is the sound made by monkeys? Chatter. Monkeys chatter. Different animals make different sounds. Different animals make different sounds. And here the croak is the utter deep clear sound made by a frog. A frog sound is croak. 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 Is it clear? Next word pounce. Jump to attack. Next word POUNCE. What is the meaning of pounce? Jump to attack. JUMP. Jump to attack. Jump to attack. 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 Jump to attack. Pounce means jump to attack. POUNCE. Pounce means jump to attack. Okay. Next one, tick the correct answers. Next segment is tick the correct answers. First one, animals in the forest layer. First one, you listen to the text, page number 42. Animals in the forest. First one, animals in the forest. FOREST. Animals in the forest. Where? WER. There are two wheres. WHERE where and the other one is WERE where. Here the spelling is WERE where. Animals in the forest where dash. Option A playing. First option playing. Then second option B resting. 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 Animals in the forest where. Which option is correct? Resting. Animals in the forest where resting. You put a tick mark in the second option. Okay. You put a tick mark in the second option. The next one. Freddy was playing and jumping into the dash. Second one. Listen here. Freddy. FREDDY. Freddy was one, Freddy was playing and jumping into the pool. P-O-O-L. Next one, Sheru was behind the bushes. Sheru was behind the bushes. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then the next one, the question answers that we had already discussed in the class. Then next one, write T for true and F for false in the given box. T for true and F for false in the given box. There are 5 sentences. First one, it was raining. Was it raining? No, it was not raining. So you write F in the first column. In the first column, you write F. Okay. In the first column, you write F. Then the second sentence, Sheru the tiger was swimming. F, false. It was not a correct statement. F. Sheru the tiger was swimming. F. Then next one, third one, Freddy was jumping. True. T. True. Freddy was jumping. True. He was jumping. Really, he was jumping. It was a correct statement. So you write T there for true. Sheru ate Freddy. False. It is a wrong statement. F. False. It's a wrong statement. So we have to write F for false. Then fifth one, Freddy saved himself. True. Freddy saved himself. True. Because it is a right statement. Freddy saved himself. True. T. T for true. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one false, and the fifth one true. Okay, is it clear? Then next one, circle the odd one out. Next exercise, circle the odd one out. First set of words, fish, then frog, fish, frog, bird. B-I-R-D. Which one is the odd one? Bird is the odd one because fish and frog are living in water. Fish and frog are living in water. Bird is not an amphibian. Bird is not an amphibian. Not a thing that lives in water. Okay. Then second set of words. Which is the second set of words? Lion, wolf, pigeon. Lion. Then second one, wolf. Then pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Which one is the odd one? Third one is the odd one. Why? The other two were animals and pigeon is a bird. Other two, lion and wolf, were animals and this one is a bird. This one is a bird. Other two names are the names of animals. Other two names are the names of animals. Then third one, please listen. Crow, roar, tree. Crow, C-R-A-K, crow. Then next one, roar. Then the third word is tree, T-R-E-E. Which is the third set of words? Crow, roar, tree. Which is the odd one? Tree. Why? The other two words were the sounds of animals. The sound of a frog is crow. The sound of a lion is roar. Then the third word is tree. It is the name of a thing. Okay. Is it clear? Next set of words, mango, chiku, ice cream. Fourth, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Then chiku, C-H-I-K-O-O, chiku. Then the third word is ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Which is the odd one? Ice cream is the odd one. Chiku and mango are fruits. Chiku and mango are fruits. And ice cream is the odd one there. Then fifth set of words, book, pencil, pizza. Fifth set of words, book. First word book. Then second word pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L. Then last word pizza, P-I-Z-Z-A. Which is the odd one? Pizza is the odd one. Why? It is a foodie item. Pizza food item. Pizza is the name of a food item. The next set of words, mummy, papa, house. Sixth one. First word, mummy, M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. Next word, papa, P-U-P-A. Papa. Then next word, house. Which is the old one here? Mummy, papa, house. Which is the old one? House is the old one because mummy and papa are human beings. House is not a living thing. Mummy and papa are living things and house is not a living thing. Okay, is it clear? Fish, frog and bird. Which is the old one? Bird. And lion, wolf, pigeon. Which is the old one? Pigeon. Rock, tree. Which is the old one? Tree. Mango, chiku, ice cream. Which is the old one? Ice cream. Book, pencil, pizza. Which is the old one? Pizza. Next one, mummy, papa, house. Which is the old one? House. Okay. Next segment is listening and speaking. The picture below show different seasons. See how Freddy enjoys them in the forest and we in the cities. Match the picture. Okay. Winter season, summer season, rainy season. Okay. The pictures below show different seasons. See how Freddy enjoys them in the forest and we in the cities. Freddy, what is Freddy doing? Winter season, Freddy is wearing a sweater and muffler. Winter season, Freddy is wearing a sweater and muffler. You draw a line from the picture to winter season. Last picture to the winter season. Last picture to the winter season. Then first picture, summer season. Freddy is having cool drinks. What is Freddy doing there? Freddy is having cool drinks on summer season. Draw a line from here to summer season. First picture to summer season, last picture to winter season. Last picture to winter season, then first picture to summer season, then rainy season. Freddy is having an umbrella. Freddy is having an umbrella on the rainy season. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Then let us move on to the next segment, that is writing. Freddy escaped and Sheru could not eat him. In this story we find that Freddy is a clever frog and Sheru, you asked Freddy to go and after a bath you come back and I want to eat you. Then what did Freddy do? Freddy jumped deep into the water and then disappeared in the water. He was underwater and then disappeared away from there. He wrote a letter to his cousin telling her how he tricked Sheru. Then Sheru, after some time, Sheru waited for near the pond and after some time he understood that Freddy fooled me. Freddy is a clever frog and he fooled me. He has forgot some words. Help him to finish the letter. There are some words in the space blank in the column. Filling the blanks with the given words. Lotus pond, magic forest, and you write a date here and there. You can write today's date. Okay, you can write there. Which is the date today? 16th November 2020. You can write today's date there. 16/11/2020. 16/11/2020. That means November 16th 2020. Okay, dear Kiki, you have no dash how I escaped from Sheru the tiger today. You have no idea. The first dash you write idea. IDEA. You have no idea how I escaped from Sheru the tiger today. I was enjoying myself when he dashed on me from behind a tree. When he pounced on me. Next dash you write pounced. POUNCE. kept my dash, kept my I have frightened but kept my dash. I knew he is afraid of dash. As Dr. Fox has told me when I went for the treatment of my dash. I told Sheru that he would get dash from the mud that is on my body. So he should let me go for a dash to clean myself. Dash to clean myself. He fell for my dash. Thank God. He fell for my dash. Thank God. Then now I shall listen to mummy and be cautious. You too take care. Now I would like to listen to my mummy. You should take care. Then the first dash you write idea. In the second dash 3, 6, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. First dash you write idea. In the second dash you write pounced. In the third dash you stay there. Then fourth dash. As Dr. Fox had told me when I went for the treatment of my throat. T-H-R-O-A-T, throat. Fourth dash. Fourth one, first one, second one. Fourth one, T-H-R-O-A-T, throat. Fourth one, throat. Then fifth one, I knew he is afraid of injections. Fifth one, injections. I-N-J-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. I know he is afraid of injections. He is afraid of injections. I know he is afraid of injections. Then from the I knew he is afraid of injections. As Dr. Fox had told me when I went for the treatment of my throat. When I went for my 4 injections. 4 injections. In the fourth dash you write injections. I-N-J-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Injections. I-N-J-E-C-T-I-O-N-S. Injections. Then in the fifth dash you write I went for the treatment of my throat. Fifth dash throat. T-H-R-O-A-T. I made a mistake, sorry. Injections. Then fifth one throat. T-H-R-O-A-t. Then I told Sheru that he would get infection. He would get infection. Sixth one, infection. I-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. Infection. He will get infection from the mud that is on my body. So he should let me go for a bath and clean myself. Bath. Seventh one, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. And clean myself from the clean myself. He fell for my trick. T-8th one, trick. T-R-I-C-K, trick. Okay, listen here. First one idea, second one pounced. Then where is the third one? Okay, third one, pool. Third one, pool. I forgot to write the third one, pool. Then listen here. First one idea, then second one pounced. Third one pool, C-O-O-L, pool. Then third one pool, fourth one injections, fifth one throat, then sixth one infection, seventh one bath, then eighth one trick. I read the whole paragraph, whole letter once more. So please listen to the text. You have no idea how I escaped from Sheru the tiger today. I was enjoying myself when he pounced on me from behind the trees. I was frightened but kept my cool. That means I remained cool. I kept my cool. I did not show my frightening. I did not show my scaredness to him. I was scared but really I don't show my frightening. I kept my cool. I knew he is afraid of injections. As Dr. Fox has told me when I went for a treatment of my throat. I told Sheru that he would got infection from the mud that is on my body. That mud that is on my body. So he should let me go for a bath to clean myself. He fell for my trick. Thank God. Now I shall listen to mommy and be cautious. Cautious means alert. CAUTIOUS. Cautious means alert. Thank God. Now I shall listen to my mommy to be and be cautious. You too take care. You should also be careful about the big animals who eat small animals. Your cousin Freddy. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? In the first dash you write idea. IDEA. Second dash you write pounds. POUNCD. The third dash you write school. COOL. And in the fourth place you write injections. INJECTIONS. In the fifth dash you write throat. THROAT. Then sixth one infection. INFECTION. Seventh one bath. Then eighth one trick. Okay. Is it clear? May I write this? I hope all of you have written this one. The next exercise, grammar power. The words that express sudden feeling are called interjections or exclamations. That means in our part of speech there are 8 parts of speeches are there. You are studying in first standard. There is no need to write the parts of speech. First one is noun. Then second one adjective. Then third one verb. Then fourth one adverb. ADVERB. Then fifth one pronoun. Then sixth one, which is the sixth one, conjunctions. Then seventh one, conjunctions. Noun, adjective, verb, adverb, pronoun, conjunction, interjection and preposition. Then interjection, eighth one, interjection. Interjections. Interjections, okay. Interjections. These are the 8 parts of speech. These are the 8 parts of speeches. Among the parts of speech there is interjections or exclamations. Exclamations. Okay. The word that express sudden feeling are called interjection. That means when we feel great sadness, we said, oh alas. Then when our team, the cricket match is going on there, we are in the part of Indian cricket team or Kerala Blasters or like that. We are in the side of one team. When our team won the match, we will say hooray. It is the extreme happiness. To show extreme sudden feeling or emotion, we use interjections. INTER. J is not junction. It is junction. INTER. JECTIONS. Interjections or exclamations. For example, hooray, we won the match. When our team won the match, we say hooray, we won the match. Then alas, he is no more. When a good person dies, we say alas, he is no more. Kashtamai koi noradile. Alas, he is no more. Then next one, excellent work. That means when you score high marks, the teacher will give you excellent mark, grade, excellent grade. That is with great pride the teacher is giving you excellent. You have done a work completely and you succeed in that. The authority will give you an excellent mark. That is excellent. It is also an interjection exercise. After writing the interjection word, we have to put an exclamation mark. One line and after that a dot. That is exclamation mark. This mark is called exclamation mark. EXCLAMATION. Exclamation mark. Okay, this is exclamation mark. Okay, then put an interjection to complete the sentence taking help from the clue box. Some can be used with choice. Dash, she is dead. Alas, tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next one, Y-E-K-N-O-M, second one, Y-E-K-N-O-M, which is animal written in these letters, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Next word, G-O-R-F, third one, G-O-R-F, which is the animal written here, F-R-O-G, frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Next word, X-O-F, fourth one, X-O-F, which is the animal written here, F-O-X, F-O-X. Then next one, which is the next one, L-A-K-C-A-J, fifth one, L-A-K-C-A-J, which is the animal written here, J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal, J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. Sixth one, which is the unjumbled word, N-O-I-L, 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 which is the animal written here, L-I-O-N, N-O-I-L, L-I-O-N, L-I-O-N, lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Next one, R-A-E-B, seventh one, R-A-E-B, R-A-E-B, this animal written here, B-E-A-R, 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 bear. The first one is tiger, second one monkey, third one frog, fourth one fox, fifth one jackal, sixth one lion, and the seventh one is bear. Okay, is it clear? Next segment, pronunciation. Next segment is that of pronunciation. P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N, pronunciation. P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N, pronunciation. Okay, sound pattern of T-R and F-R. Sound pattern of T-R and F-R. Train, T-R, train. Then tram, T-R-A-M, tram. Tram, T-R-A-M-P, tram. Then truck, T-R-A-C-K, truck. Frame, F-R-A-I-L, frame. Frame, F-R-A-M-E, frame. Frisk, F-R-I-S-K, frisk. From, F-R-O-M, from. Read once more. Train, tram, tram, truck, frame, frisk, from. Okay, find more words and I value life segment. Wash your hands. Washing hand is the most important factor in avoiding the spreading of infection. Oh, that means nowadays this is printed in the early period, and nowadays we are suffering from the COVID-19 coronavirus. We are suffering from the most dangerous COVID-19 coronavirus, and today the importance of washing hand is very relevant here. Importance of hand washing is very relevant in nowadays, and by washing our hands regularly, we can avoid the spreading of infectious disease. We can avoid the spreading of infectious disease. Washing hand is the most important factor in avoiding and the spreading infections. Children should be encouraged to wash their hands before and after eating, using the toilet, handling animals, especially if playing outdoors. That means nowadays we are washing our hands by in 20 seconds. We are washing our hands using soap or hand washes in 20 seconds. For 20 seconds, and to avoid the spreading and catching of infectious diseases. Nowadays the most dangerous infectious disease is COVID-19. Coronavirus causes COVID-19. Then this is an activity corner for you. There is an activity for you to do, and the activity is make a post on good hygiene with the help of your teacher. Nowadays you cannot do it with the help of a teacher. You can do it with the help of your mother, your parents, you make. I will give you a prize to those who make a better poster. Okay, you try to make the best poster which is related to hygiene or personal hygiene. Okay, try to make a poster. Do you know how to make a poster? Yes, all of you know how to make a poster, and then the theme is personal hygiene. Okay, this is all about today's class, and let us wind up the class today, and let us continue in the next class. Thank you.